Are you looking for the best digital soldering stations? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best digital soldering stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. YIHUA 926-360W Digital Soldering Station. The YIHUA 926-360W Digital Soldering Station is a UL certified, US patented and ETL certified soldering station with a wide temperature range of 194 degrees Fahrenheit, 896 degrees Fahrenheit. It features a digital display, PID temperature stabilization, auto sleep and calibration support, and a ceramic burner. This 12-in-1 kit includes the soldering station, 2 helping hands, 6 soldering tips, lead-free solder wire, solder sucker, ESD-safe tweezers, solder wire dispenser, and cleaning sponge. It is a great choice for both professionals and hobbyists alike. What we like: heats up very quickly. Multiple interchangeable tips. Convenient accessories included. Good value for hobbyists. Sturdy holding clamps. Number 2. YIHUA 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station. The YIHUA 939D Plus soldering system is a powerful and reliable soldering station with high power performance, flexible temperature from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, faster heating up, enhanced temperature stabilization and enhanced performance. It features a built-in transformer that outputs contact-safe voltage without sacrificing its high power or performance. The control panel is built with brushed aluminum and the accompanying standalone iron stand is also solid metal alloy. It also has a suite of intelligent features and intuitive usage, such as clear digital degree F4°C display, automatic detection, smart temperature control, and temperature calibration support. What we like: fast heat-up time. Accurate temperature control. Solid build quality. Easy to find replacement tips. Useful included accessories. Number 3. Crtsweker 100W Digital Soldering Station Kit. The Crtsweker Digital Soldering Station offers fast heating with a clear LED display, allowing you to quickly set and monitor temperatures between 356 degrees Fahrenheit and 896 degrees Fahrenheit. You can easily switch temperature units between Celsius and Fahrenheit, making it convenient no matter your preference. The station includes an auto sleep feature that lowers the temperature when not in use, saving energy and extending the tool's life while adding safety by preventing accidental burns. Its advanced design features a steel pipe with vents for faster cooling and ergonomic handles with silicone grips, ensuring your comfort during long projects. This makes the Crtsweker Digital Soldering Station ideal for beginners and hobbyists working on electronics, crafts, or repairs. What we like: fast heat-up time. Comprehensive accessory kit. Accurate temperature control. Auto sleep mode. Great value for price. Number 4. WEP 926 LED V3 Soldering Iron Station Kit. The WEP Soldering Iron Kit is a comprehensive soldering station that comes with all the necessary accessories to get you started on your soldering projects. It includes a spool of lead-free solder wire, 5 extra soldering tips, tweezers, and a desoldering pump. The compact design of the WEP 926 LED V3 saves space on your workbench, making it ideal for users with limited desk space. The advanced temperature control allows you to adjust the temperature from 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring precise and steady heat for your soldering tasks. The sleep mode function helps to extend the lifespan of the soldering tips and heating element, while the CF conversion function allows you to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius easily. With a 1-year product warranty and 24-hour technical support, the WEP Soldering Iron Kit is a reliable choice for soldering enthusiasts. What we like: excellent value for price. Fast heat-up time. Accurate temperature control. Quality interchangeable tips. Easy to read digital display. Number 5. FNIRSI DWS 200-200W Digital Soldering Station. The FNIRSI DWS200 soldering station offers a powerful 200W output, heating up quickly so you can start your projects without delay. It runs on a wide voltage range, making it versatile for different power sources. The station features a bright 2.8-inch full-color screen that shows temperature clearly and lets you switch between different display modes, including temperature value and curve modes, helping you monitor your work precisely. Plus, it has smart sleep and standby modes that save energy and extend the life of your tools. The included adjustable helping hands make it easier to hold components steady while soldering, giving you better control and accuracy. What we like: high 200W power, wide voltage compatibility, clear full-color display, energy-saving sleep mode, adjustable helping hands.